While vloggers sell a parasocial relationship and reaction channels sell a transformative filter, tech creators sell something entirely different: risk mitigation. Despite the differences between a massive Linus Tech Tips server build and a clean Dave 2D laptop review, they all share this core architecture. 1. The action, the proxy purchase, taking the financial risk. Tech creators don't just give opinions, they absorb the financial and physical risk of a purchase so the consumer doesn't have to. The shared mechanic. They do what the average buyer cannot afford to do. Jerry-rig everything literally destroys a $1,500 to test its structural integrity. Mr. Who's the Boss buys 5 competing flagship phones to drain their batteries side by side. Gamers Nexus spends weeks running hundreds of thermal benchmarks on a single graphics card. Why it works. The viewer is about to make a massive financial commitment. By acting as the proxy purchaser and pushing the product to its absolute limits, the creator saves the viewer from buyer's remorse. The action is empirical proof, not just commentary. 2. The style, B-roll as evidence, hyper-reality. In a travel vlog, cinematic B-roll is used to evoke emotion. In the tech niche, B-roll is used as hard, visual evidence. The shared mechanic, Marquise Brownlee's sweeping macro camera movements and Dave 2D's impossibly clean desk setups aren't just for aesthetics. They are designed to show the texture of the plastic, the thickness of the screen bezels, and the smudge of fingerprints in a way that corporate advertising actively tries to hide. Why it works. It strips away the manufacturer's polished CGI renders. The style is hyper-reality. By presenting the device exactly as it looks and operates in the real world, they immediately disarm the viewer's skepticism. 3. The outcome, the bottom of funnel moat. The ultimate result of combining rigorous proxy testing with hyper-real visual evidence is that these channels position themselves at the exact moment a consumer has their credit card in hand. The shared mechanic. They are the final gatekeepers before a purchase is made. A viewer watching a gaming video is looking for entertainment. A viewer watching an iPhone 16 versus Galaxy S25 video is looking for permission to buy. Why it works. This creates the most lucrative monetization engine on the internet. Because the audience intent is strictly transactional, tech channels command astronomical CPMs, ad rates, and drive massive affiliate link revenue. Their outcome is graduating from content creators to indispensable pillars of the global retail supply chain. When looking at how these channels hold the keys to the register, which element do you think is harder for a solo creator to build from scratch? The budget to buy all the gear for comparisons, or the technical credibility to actually critique it?